start, fragile, subclause, finally, hierarchy, culling out, freezing, seizure, confiscation, enactments, washing, abolishing, perpetuated, exceptional, features, bypass, extraordinary, discretionary, circumspection, vague, precedent, president, divorce, dissolution, unworkable, emotionally, salvage, irretrievably, uphold, penal, valid, Kanpur, participation, apart from the, mixed up, fastening, vitiated, averments, imposed, disproportionate, procured, pecuniary, weightage, attributable, constitute, accrues, disciplinary, redetermination, remanded, misconduct, hearings, adamant, translated, charge sheet, dealer, purchaser, occasioning, sales tax, verified, excess, deputy, burden, very clear, statute, proactive, stance, interference, mediation, experiments, lawyers, devour, clients, merchants, ill will, disgusted, winning party, incurred, attorney, befriend, nerve, at last, at least, unwritten, estimation, boundless, lesson, hundreds, execution, alterations, consolidated, amounted, differential, estoppel, issuance, voucher, evidence, in as much as, appropriate, scrutinize, in favor, proportionate, penultimate, consignment, no such, in such, pursuance, planters, finalization, impugned order dated, learned single judge, verification, identity, writ jurisdiction of the Constitution of India, irregularities, consistently, unjustified, order dated, herein above, writ petition, learned counsel for the petitioner, cancelled, inadequate, inadequacy, zamindari, misconceived, facts and circumstances, enhanced, scenario, fisheries, hectare, incorrect, reasoning, IPC, and if the, in consequence of, unsoundness, insane, intoxication, inclination, consciously, jury, prosecuting, prosecution, prosecutrix, unwillingness, lexicographer, apparent, likewise, judicial magistrate, Code of Civil Procedure, CRPC, Indian Penal Code PW4 Additional Sessions Judge medical evidence thereof exclusively learned counsel for the parties with effect from rectification. It has further been simultaneously mistake, employer, impugned judgment, maltreated, disrespect, version, proviso, embargo, per contra, purview, observance, eschewed, albeit, aberrations, high school board, intermediate, discrepancy, show cause notice, principle of natural justice, admittedly, upon, unless and until dispensation feasible, current, in response, point-wise, mechanical, district magistrate, as to whether nominated deputy collector of the facts and circumstances, oral evidence, inquiry officer, ex parte, disciplinary authority, correspondence in this behalf, nonetheless, तहसीलदार, गांव सभा, काउंटर एफिडेविट, स्टॉप।